How to only see friends post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to make Instagram show only the post from people you actually follow. So here with Instagram recent algorithm updates, your feed is likely filled with random content even from users that you don't follow. But if you're someone who prefers seeing updates just from your friends or the accounts that you follow, here is a simple way to fix that. And here is what you can do. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the Instagram logo shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select the following options. And once you do that, Instagram will now display posts only from the accounts that you follow. And what's even better, it shows them in chronological order. So here, as you scroll, you will notice timestamps like 9 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, and so on, meaning the newest posts appear first just like before. You can try it out and enjoy a more focused Instagram feed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.